Hello, this is John from caveofprogramming.com, and in this tutorial we're going to look at adding another activity to our application. And actually what I have in mind to do is at the moment in this application we've got a place to enter notes here, but I want to make it so that these notes are protected by some sort of password system. And I'm going to make it so that what happens is you see an image and you have to touch certain points on the image in order to get through to this note application and see or edit your note. So with that in mind, I'm going to start here by adding another activity, and I'm going to make that other activity the main activity for the moment, so that we can work on it. So in fact it's probably going to stay the main activity. So I'm going to right click my project here and go to new, and let's go to other down here, and I'm going to select under Android activity and click next, and I'll accept the defaults, and I'm going to call this let's call this I don't know, initial, or maybe image activity. I'll call it image activity because this is going to display an image. So the layout name is going to be activity image, and I could select a navigation type here, but I don't want one. I'm just going to have a simple image on this activity for the most part, and I think that's good. So we can always change it later. Let's click next and finish. So now I've got this image activity here with the default hello world message in it, and I'm going to now go to my manifest. So I'm going to scroll down here and go to Android manifest.xml, and I want this at least for the moment to be the new main activity. Now for an activity to be the main activity, it's got to have this I'm looking at the raw kind of XML view here, and it's got to have this intent filter with this main thing here and this launcher thing here, which has been filled in automatically. And at the moment my original main activity here has got these, and it's higher up in the XML than this new activity. But if I delete the main and launcher attribute values here from my original main activity, now this is going to become my new main activity because it has those attributes, and it's the only one in the file that has them. So let's save this, and I'm going to just select my project and click run. And later on we're going to look at how to trigger one activity from another, which of course is a very important thing to do. But for a while now I'm going to be working on this screen that kind of locks the note screen. So let's just take a look at the animator here, and there is my new image activity. So there's a few things to do there, like give it a nice name and that sort of thing. So I've got this title activity image here is set for the title. If I go to my strings.xml, we can find here title activity image, and I can save it. I can set the title to something nice, like I could just call it Note Squirrel for the moment, really. In fact, I don't think I'm not going to display the title myself, but I guess it will remain there anyway. Anyway, that's it for this tutorial, and until next time, happy coding.